So you've been looking for a supplement that will help you lose weight, trim down, get lean, really kickstart your weight loss journey. You've probably heard of OxyShred. And if you're not sure if you should jump into it, spend that $60 on a tub of powder that you don't even know you're gonna like, this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Nicole Charnel, and I do videos on healthy, intentional living, and that is just living your healthy life with intention. This video is about OxyShred. OxyShred is a fat loss supplement, thermogenic fat burner. It is used as a pre-workout. It is used for burning fat for those of us who are trying to get in the gym and trim down. It is also used as just like an everyday energy boost, everyday mood booster. This is really an all-around great product, in my opinion. But we're gonna get into the facts. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can tell, I'm in my workout gear. I'm literally about to go work out in about 10 minutes or so. But I was just getting ready for the day, and I wanted to start this video off here before I go to my workout. So I actually haven't made my OxyShred yet. I'm going to make it here for you in a moment. But first, we're going to talk about just the preliminaries before you grab the OxyShred. There's tons of different flavors that you can choose from, and it's just like, what flavor should I get? The most popular flavor that I have heard of is mango. Now, other people would say other flavors are most popular, but even when you Google it, like the best flavor for OxyShred, mango comes up. I actually haven't tasted mango. As you can see, the little thing is still on there, but my sister says it's because it is super sweet. So it still gives you that connection of drinking sweet things with something that really doesn't have any sugar in it at all. So I think that is what the plus is for the mango. This time I have the juicy watermelon, and then I've also tried the, I think it was strawberry kiwi. Was something, I'm pretty sure it was a strawberry kiwi. I'll put it on the screen if it wasn't. But so I've literally tried myself with 2 different flavors, and this one's not bad. This is also in like the top 10 list of like the best flavors, or maybe like it's like the top 6 or top 5 or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's in the list when I Googled it, but it's not bad. I feel like I prefer the other flavor that I had, the kiwi strawberry, over this one, but it's not bad at all. It's definitely drinkable. I mean, I'm a person, like, taste is a big thing for me. And what I'm learning is that when I'm eating bad, my taste buds are definitely like geared to the bad eating. So it wants more sugar. It wants like more of that taste of like smooth mouthfeel, butter and cream. It wants, like, my taste buds want that. And so when I taste something that is, for example, doesn't have more sugar in it, it's like my taste buds are like, what are you giving us? This is disgusting. Like, why are we doing this? Blah. But I had to just keep going. I had to keep going. I've literally been doing 2 weeks of this so far. Like I said, this is my second time trying OxyShred. If you haven't seen my first video on OxyShred, I'll link it up in the cards or in the description box down below. But this is my second time getting a container of it, and yeah, now I've been doing it now for the 2 weeks straight, and I'm gonna show you my results. Okay, if you are here for the results, I will put the link of the timestamp down below, because the results are real. They're just real, guys. They're legit results. But if you're here for everything else, keep watching. Like I said, I'm about to go work out, so I'm gonna make my little pre-workout cocktail. So I have OxyShred. I also have this carnitine. So this is different from creatine. I'm just getting into supplements, guys. Don't bash me. Please don't do it. But carnitine. So this one is like, it like boosts your fat burner. Like, it just gives you more of that fat burner vibe, like boosting your weight loss, boosting all the things that are in the fat burner. It just, like, carnitine does that. Creatine is for building muscle. Like, so this is for more burning fat. The other one is for building muscle. Literally just found that out this week because research. Anyway, so I'm gonna add this. This tastes like straight salt. Please add it to something. Don't just drink it. I didn't just drink it, but like basically my first time putting it in the thing, I like got a little bit on my finger, and I think I like licked it or tasted it somehow. Ugh. disgusting, absolutely disgusting. Also love, what I really love about these products is that they're helpful for your everyday life, in the sense that they're helpful for your brain activity. They're helpful for you staying focused. They're helpful for you being in a good mood. Like, it literally tells you it's a mood booster. It literally tells you it's gonna help with your brain function. I'm also gonna add this. This is just like my tried and true, very first pre-workout energy supplement I ever tried, and it's a flavor that I really can drink all the time. Like, this is the only one so far that I've found that I can drink all the time by itself. So this is the EVL BCAA Energy in Fruit Punch. So I just really like this one, and I just basically put 1 scoop of this in with my OxyShred, and it mellows out the flavor. Because what I find, like I said, this one is really salty. I feel like juicy watermelon also has that salty flavor to it, and it's just not for me. That electrolyte flavor, it's not for me. I can't even drink Gatorade, guys. Like, I just don't like that flavor. So if you're like me and you need to cover up that flavor, this right here, and it's cheap. I get it from Walmart. It's $17, I believe, for a 30-day supply. Come on, bro. Come on. So, and it actually works by itself. Like, before, I was trying OxyShred and subs and all these other supplements. I had that, and it worked. It gave me energy. It helped with my soreness. It does the things. So I love that as well. But this video is about the OxyShred. So anyway, gonna make my cocktail. First, I'm gonna finish my coffee, because OxyShred actually does tell you to drink this on, if you're gonna drink it on an empty stomach, you just drink it first thing, but also avoid eating other foods or drinking a protein shake or something that 20 minutes after consuming OxyShred. So I'm gonna finish my coffee first, and then I'm going to make my cocktail, drink my OxyShred like on the way to the gym. So some of the pluses, like I said, focus, mood boosting, for this, like, you can feel it working, and not in the sense of like sometimes even with this, I'll get like my hands are itchy, and and that's like the energy stuff in there. Like, that's one of the side effects. Like, my hands are like itching, but this won't do that. Like, if I have just this and nothing else mixed with it, I won't get that feeling, that hand itchy. I won't get that jittery, like, oh, I have to move type thing. It just gives you a really good boost, a really good feeling within your energy, really good feeling within your mood. It just feels really clean, like straight to the point. So that's really what I love about the OxyShred. All right, enough of singing its praises. We're gonna head to this gym. I've been really focused on upper body, and I've been thinking like I'm only gonna do upper body, but today I think I'm going to add in some leg workouts. So I'm gonna call it a full body day. That's what we're gonna call it, and we'll see how it ends up. But anyway, let's go. Let's make this cocktail. Let's go to the gym. Let's go. Oh, shoot. So I just got to the gym. I've finished my OxyShred, and now we're gonna go work out. So something that I also noticed is really key when you're drinking the OxyShred is you need to follow it up with water. Like, you've got to be drinking your water throughout your day, but especially after you have the OxyShred, especially those who have a sensitive stomach. I have a sensitive stomach in the sense of, like,
if I eat something wrong and then I try to like do movement, nah, bro, it's not gonna work out for me. It's gonna cripple me. It's gonna stop me from working out because I'm not gonna feel well. So, but I've noticed that if I follow up my OxyShred with water, that feeling never even crosses my mind. I don't have to worry about getting sick, feeling ill. And then the hydration is just better. It's just better. All the aminos and the electrolytes and all that are in that OxyShred, when you follow it up with water, your body just soaks it up. And I mean, your body soaks up water anyway already, but it just takes it to another level. Water should be key automatically anyway. Like, you should be drinking your water, but when you you have your OxyShred and then you follow it up with water, bro, your body just does what it needs to do. So anyway, I'm gonna get in here. It's 12 now, which is perfect. During the summer, I love getting to the gym at 12 because this is the dead time for whatever reason for the summertime. So yeah, let me get in here, get my workout going, and be done with it because I gotta work today. So another thing with OxyShred is eating. Like, if your diet is together, your OxyShred is going to work for you. It's going to work for your body. And I'm just talking about eating clean. Like, you do not have to track your calories if that's hard for you. You do not have to meal prep if you don't like to. But eating clean is like, it's the first step. It really is the first step. Like, you have to decide, like, I'm going to eat the good things. I'm going to eat things that promote my goals. I'm going to eat things that help me actually get lean. Like, I don't know how many videos you need to watch to know that not eating processed food is good for you. Like if I just cut out the processed food, this is much better for me. But if you need to watch another video, I'll tell you, don't eat that processed food. Eat something that you made yourself. So eating is key with OxyShred. My after gym snack, I had 2 plums in here. I ate one of them, that's the seed. And then some Quest crackers. I love these crackers. Actually, they're really good. The first time I had them, I was like, I don't know if I can do this. But the more that I've eaten them, the more that my taste buds have adjusted, and I literally really enjoy them now. So they're 10 grams of protein for this little bag. Perfect for when I'm starving but I want something salty. I want something junk foody. Here we are with these Quest crackers. Now, this is technically processed food. Like, it really is. However, it has good things in it for me that promote my goals. And because I've like cut out a lot of processed food, like that's like one of the 5 things that I maybe eat out of my diet that's processed. So maybe 5 things, and then I don't even eat those every single day. Like, just, you know, you really just have to pick and choose and like really just eliminate the bad stuff like you do. So I wasn't super hungry. That's why I didn't eat these and eat the other plum. But I'm about to go in here. I'm going to take some progress photos for you guys, and we're going to wrap up this video. But I'm also going to go ahead and like make my breakfast, because I know I will be hungry by the time I like get out the shower and clean up and all that kind of stuff. So for breakfast, I'm going to have a turkey sausage sandwich that has been slamming for my life. So my food is cooking. I am starving. I'm so hungry, but I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. If you are thinking about getting OxyShred and you are a person who works out and you just need something to really boost your fat loss, like get it going, try OxyShred. Give it a try. I know some vitamin shops have it, and then if you buy it there, like they'll allow you to try it for the one time, and then like you can return it and get something else if you don't like the flavor. But I'm telling you, like if you go for the sweet ones like the mango, and you know you have a sweet tooth, like you'll like it, and then it'll eventually probably become too sweet. But, or if you're not a taste person and it really doesn't matter, you just want to know if the product works, give it a try. I'm a person, like I said, I need fat loss. I need something to help me, to aid me, to boost me, and OxyShred is it for me. So I'm just going to show you some progress pictures, some changes. I tried OxyShred, like I said, a while ago, so I'll put that picture up on the screen as well of when I was trying it and how it changed my body. But I definitely see a difference, especially in my midsection. And abs are made in the kitchen, guys. Like if you are trying to get your stomach right, you have to first tackle your eating. And OxyShred also helps with that because it helps curb your appetite. It helps you eat less
and like really helps with those cravings. So that is another reason why I use it as like my first meal, like half meal, I guess, because it fills me up for the moment. It fuels me also for my workouts, so I'm not starving through my workout. But then when I get to the end, honey, as long as I worked hard, I need that food. Like I need something to eat right now in my stomach. I'm so hungry. But I definitely say give it a try. It definitely works. I have pictures to prove it. I have the weight to prove it. 2 weeks ago, like I said, I found out that I gained 10 pounds. When I say found out, I mean like I hadn't been weighing myself. I really hadn't been weighing myself, measuring myself, nothing. And I gained 10 pounds over the course of like 6 months or so. So now I am coming back down. I've already lost 3 of those pounds. Fluctuating into 4, but 3 pounds really that I went ahead and lost in these first 2 weeks of using OxyShred to get me back, get me right, get me tight. And I'm gonna keep going. I really want to hit my goal of 160. Honestly, I have a big chest and I just don't know if 160 is possible with my chest situation, but I also know I did not give it 100% try last time. I kind of like got to where I felt like I looked really good, which was like 170, and I stopped and I was like, I look good though. I can eat, I can have some drinks. Yeah, nah, we're gonna keep going. I have a trip coming up in the fall, so that's gonna be like my goal. So that's another, what is it? August, September, October, November. That's another 4 months away. So to lose the total of right now, I think it's like 14 pounds in the 10 months is possible. My app tells me it's possible. The app that I'm using to track my food, it tells me that I can get there as long as I am eating right, really tracking my calories, really tracking how much I'm eating, portion size, drinking my water, all that. So if I'm doing the things, going hard for 4 months, I can get to my goal within that time. And that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna give it the good old college try. I'm gonna give it a good 100% try to get there. But like I said, thinking about OxyShred, do it. If you want to see my previous video on OxyShred and how I started using it, I will link it on the screen. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.